Okay, so question number 5 is prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. So, in this question, let us consider a circle with center O. And then we have to draw a tangent, so let AB be the tangent which touches the circle at P. We have to prove that the line perpendicular to AB, at P passes through the center O. Line perpendicular to AB will passes through the center O. So this we have to prove. So we shall prove this by contradiction method, because here we will assume, let us assume that the perpendicular to AB at P does not pass, because we are using contradiction method, so we will take does not pass through the center O let it pass through another point that we are taking as O dash, another point. So we have taken ki perpendicular at the point of contact passes through O dash. So now we will join O dash P and OP. So as perpendicular to AB at P passes through O dash. Therefore, angle O dash PB, because perpendicular we are taking that this perpendicular is passes through O dash, it is not passing through the center. So this angle will be 90 degree according to the theorem that radius, or because it is perpendicular to AB at P passes through O dash, so angle OPB is 90, O dash PB is 90 degree. First equation. Now since O is the center and P is the point of contact, so we know the line joining the center and the point of contact to the tangent to the circle are perpendicular. Tangent of the circle are perpendicular to each other Therefore, angle OPB is equals to 90 degree. Let it be second equation. Now comparing these two equations, we obtain that angle O dash PB is equal to angle OPB, and that is only possible if the line O dash P coincides with OP Therefore, the perpendicular to AB through P passes through the center O. Our contradiction is not possible. Our assumption is not possible, so it is contradiction. Comparing equation 1 and 2, comparing equation 1 and 2. When you compare, you get angle O dash PB should be equal to angle OPB. ये होना चाहिए, and it is only possible when O dash P coincides with OP. Therefore, the perpendicular to AB through P passes through the center.